What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous CT here, and today we're going to be doing this colorful Skittles look. Stay tuned. So the first color I'm going to be using is a yellow color, and I did use Juvia's Place J15 as my base so I can make the colors pop more. I'm going to be using the colors of the rainbow, which is yellow, orange, pink, red, purple, blue. You guys will see. And as you guys can tell here, I'm not going to be blending so much. I like to do my blending separately. I just want to make sure I pack on that color so it could be nice and vivid. So moving on to the crease, I wanted to do a full cut crease because this look, I'm in a competition, you guys, so I'm entering a giveaway for a palette. We had to create a rainbow look, so I decided to create this look. It just came to me and I just went along with it. I manifested an idea and it came to life. Always try to remember when you're doing a cut crease, whether it's half or full, you always want to follow your eyelid in a way. You can go over it but still follow it. Don't try to do all type of craziness. Like, trust me, I've been there where my cut crease is looking like, what the heck. Once I'm done with the cut crease, I always like to go back with my eyeshadow just to make it more vibrant. You guys, when I got to the lid, I was so conflicted. I did not know whether to put like a glitter eye or like a solid color, but I decided to go with my gut and I went for this nice foil color. You guys, I'm so sorry the way my voice sounds. It's early in the morning and I was like, I have to finish this video today. So I'm gonna be putting on different color glitter pigments, and you guys, these pigments are like bomb. Okay, they are bomb. I got them from Amazon and I got them in a pack and they were like probably I guess like 16 bucks. I'm gonna try to remember to put the link in the description box below, so go check it out. And you guys know I had to add a pop of glitter because that was gonna finish this look. So yes, after I did that, my camera, you know, it didn't record that. I was so pissed. But after I put on the glitter, I just applied my eyeliner and my lashes. You guys, I found some good lashes on Amazon as well. It's a pack of 15 for $12, you guys. So I'm gonna put the link down below. It's very affordable and it's very like, it's not mink, you guys, but it can pass for it. Moving on, I'm gonna just be applying the colors that are on the top to my bottom lash. So right here, I'm gonna be working on my Skittles, guys. So I did want to do this look for a long time, but I kind of forgot about it. So me entering this competition, it motivated me to do this look. When I thought of it, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I have to do this look. So to fill in my Skittles that I drew with my NYX base primer, I'm going to be using my pigments from Mayo Pigments. And you guys, their pigments are bomb. I use them all the time. As far as the S, I use my NYX white eyeliner. And just to give it that realistic look, I did go in with my brown eyeshadow to just create a shadow behind the Skittles. You guys, this was not part of what I wanted to do as far as this look. It came to me and I just went along with it. I'm creating a cloud using the NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be putting on some like a pearl iridescent pigment, and also applying some stars. You guys, I created the freaking rainbow, okay, you guys? So I was gonna use the base and use pigments for this, but I was like, you know what, no, I wanted to try out these eyeliners that I got from Amazon. And you guys, these eyeliners are so pigmented and they didn't crack. Usually my NYX eyeliner, they after a while they crack, you know, they start to look very nasty, and with these I didn't experience that. I am gonna put the link down below. I'm not sure on how much I paid for them, but they came in a pack of all colors, you guys. I think about like 16 colors, and I think you guys, I paid about 10 bucks for it. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be just adding a little bit of designs, by designs I mean stars, to finish off this look. And I did add some glitter on the clouds. Here I wanted to show you guys the difference between my studio lights and the natural dim lights. This is the finished look, you guys. Hope you really enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So Bailey update, she has gotten her bath. Right now she's just wanted some attention. I got her this little shirt. She's gonna run from me right now because she's pretty pissed about bathing. But her shirt says, come on mama, turn around, let me see your shirt. Party animal, cause she is a party animal. And yes, her teeth are still coming out. I'm trying to just, girl, what the heck? I've been just trying to comfort her the best way I can and give her some treats. So, say bye. I guess that's her way of saying